Question number 19 of exercise 22.1. The question says that a particle is moving and it is passing from O with a velocity of 30 meter per second. Okay, the velocity of the particle is 30 meter per second. It means that we are talking about that at t equals to 0, the velocity is 30 meter per second. After that, they are saying acceleration is given to us as 13 minus 6t. Acceleration is given to us as 13 minus 6t. That is the first thing they are giving. Okay, now they are saying that a part is find velocity and after t equals to 3 second. I have to find velocity after t equals to 3 second. Okay, so in order to find velocity, what I have to do, I have to integrate a with respect to time. Integrating, this will become 13t minus 6t square over 2 plus c. So v equals to 13t minus 3t square plus c at t equals to 0. Velocity is 30. So this will become 30 equals to 13, 0 minus 3, 0 whole square plus c. So the value of c is coming 30. Because of that, the velocity equation will be 13t minus 3t square plus 30. Okay, this I have done. Now, what they were asking for, they were asking that what is the velocity at t equals to 3. So, v equals to 13 into 3 minus 3 square plus 30. In this equation, I have plotted 3 in place of t. Okay? Simplifying it, v equals to 13 3 is a 39 minus 3 square will be 9, 9 3 is a 27 plus 30. And when I am going to simplify it further, result will be 42 meter per second. Okay, that is the velocity after t equals to 3. Now, part B of the question is saying that we have to find the time at which the body has covered maximum distance in initial motion. Now, beta, see, this is O point, okay, and body is moving in this direction. Till when it is going to move in this direction, unless or until velocity reaches to 0, after that body is going to take a U-turn over there. Okay, we have read this thing in the previous questions. So it means for maximum distance, velocity will be taken as 0, and I have to find what will be the time over there. So over here I am going to put 0 equals to 13t minus 3t square plus 30, shifting it 3t square minus 13t minus 30 equals to 0. Okay. So now I'm going to do middle term breaking. 3t square. 3 into 30 will be 90. So that will be minus 18t plus 5t minus 30 equals to 0. Okay. 3t common. T minus 6 plus 5 common. T minus 6 equals to 0. So t will be equals to 6 or t will be equals to minus 5 over 3. This cannot be taken. So t equals to 6 will be the time at which the body will be at maximum distance. Okay. Now, C part of the question is saying that what will be the maximum distance. I have to find that what will be the maximum distance, okay, at t equals to 6. So what I have got displacement equation, velocity equation. I have to first find displacement equation, and that will be equals to integral of v with respect to time, s equals to integral. This will become, integrating it, this thing, 13t square over 2 minus 3t cube over 3 plus 30t plus c. This and this will be cancelled. So s equals to 13 t square over 2 minus t cube plus 30t plus c. Okay. Now I have to find the velocity. I know that there is no information given, so it means at t equals to 0, s is also equals to 0 over here. So when I am going to plot these two things over here, the value of c will also become 0. So s equals to 13t square over 2 minus t cube plus 30t will be the equation of s. Now I'm going to plot this value over here. So s equals to 13 into 6 square over 2 minus 6 cube plus 13 into 6. Okay. So when I'm going to multiply it, simplify it, 13 into 36 over 2 minus 216 plus 180. Okay. This will be cancelled. S equals to 13 into 18 minus 216 plus 180. This is in bracket and this is also in bracket. And when I'm going to simplify them, my final answer is coming S equals to 198 meter for this part. Okay. Question